Hello and welcome
Man
to...
standing too tall for camera.
I'm too tall for this. All right.
Man squats down so he's in camera frame.
Deep squat.
Man wearing Hawaiian shirt and three stooges
Hello
tie.
and welcome to Now That's Good News. I'm your host, Ben Lay, Digital Operations and Communications Manager here at Vision Serve Alliance. I'm also that pesky guy that sends you all those Vision Refer emails. Thank you so much for joining us today at our live event. We are so grateful to have you. We're here to highlight some of the stars in the field that have gone above and beyond during these difficult times to serve their community and make their community stronger. You guys all have turned lemons into lemonade. You've gone above and beyond to create new and innovative ways to serve your constituents. Now it's time to celebrate, and it's time to partay together as members of Vision Serve Alliance at Now That's Good News.
Vision Serve Alliance presents Now That's Good News.
Man sits in chair and picks nose.
Oh, it's important to celebrate the milestones that come up during COVID-19. Take, for example, Lighthouse Seattle. They reached a big goal in their production that was still celebrated despite the world being turned upside down.
Hi, I'm Adrienne Edmondson from the Lighthouse for the Blind, Inc., out of our corporate office in Seattle, Washington, and we have good news to share. This summer, at our Spokane, Washington production facility, we just marked a significant milestone, which was the production of our 1 millionth wallboard. The following video highlights all the details and impacts surrounding this truly exciting event, and we're happy to share it with you. Thank you for watching, and please do stay safe.
The millionth wallboard is significant because of the journey we took to get here. The one thing that has always been forefront was blind employment, giving good wages, good health care to be able to serve our customers.
Pat
and
O'Hara,
making sure
Chief
that
Operating
every time
Officer.
that they open that box, that it is a good quality wallboard delivered to their desktop wherever they need it.
The 1 millionth wallboard means so many things. It really signifies the employment that's been created. It symbolizes a tremendous amount of work across the organization, creating employment where there were no opportunities
Cindy
for
Watson,
people who are
President and
blind.
CEO.
The millionth board is a landmark event, but the future is what we're looking towards. Expansion of the line, we're bringing new products into this building and going to continue to grow.
Our goal is to light a fire of determination that blindness doesn't define you or how you choose to live your life.
You all have come up with innovative and creative ways to care for your clients, constituents, and patients. And I know they're eternally grateful. Take it from a few of these Braille Institute clients and how grateful they are truly about what you've been doing during COVID-19.
Hi, my name is Carolyn, and I'd just like to say how much I've enjoyed the classes with Faye, even though it's remote. All the emails that she sends about music and also for Earth with the way she's teaching the technology. It's such a big help. She puts a conference together and we can all ask our questions, and it's just been great and I really appreciate it, even though we don't have the real Braille classes, but this is the next best thing to being there. So thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Marty, and while I'm having to practice social distancing, I wanted to let you know how my classes are going from home. They're awesome, they're wonderful. I have an opportunity to learn things that I normally wouldn't be learning unless I made an appointment with someone to do one-on-one, and we're doing that as a group. It's wonderful. Piano class is great. It's hands-on because we have keyboards at home, so it's working very, very well, and I hope it doesn't stop when we do come back. I just want to thank you for the phone call to check in on me. I appreciate it, especially when your family is limited and the only person you see is a house cleaner. It's kind of cool to get that phone call from someone to say, hey, how are you doing? Anyway, thank you and stay safe.
Hi everyone, I'm Peter Mindick, President of Braille Institute. I hope all of you and your families are staying safe and healthy. Given the pandemic, all of our service locations have been closed since mid-March. Nevertheless, this season has been a wonderful opportunity for our team to accelerate the delivery of our services via technology. We have successfully established free online classes and are also offering virtual one-on-one sessions for many services, including low vision, orientation and mobility, technology, and independent living skills. And of course, this year's Braille Challenge Finals competition will be conducted digitally as well. In a twinkling, the world around us and how we work and learn has been forever changed. But what a wonderful opportunity we all have to serve more individuals living with vision loss than ever before. To learn more about our new remote services, please visit us at brailleinstitute.org or calling us toll-free at 1-800-BRAILLE.
Hello, this is John Mitchell, President and CEO of the Cincinnati Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired, CABVI. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, our community-based vision rehabilitation
Two men standing at
services
warehouse
staff
shelves.
are reinventing CABVI's service delivery models to ensure the safety of our
Man
clients,
standing at computer working in
staff,
warehouse.
and everyone concerned. Our industry's program is re-engineering our manufacturing processes to provide for a safe
Employee working at home
environment
office.
for all of our team members. And our radio reading services volunteers have shifted to doing their newspaper and magazine readings from their homes. This crisis
sitting
has
at piano and
required
working
quick
on laptop.
action to create new alternative processes. Thanks to everyone for their excellent efforts to support CABVI's mission. Stay safe and be well.
Stress plays a big part in our lives, especially now more than ever with the anxiety of the world and the unknown going on. But see how Lighthouse San Antonio is standing up against stress. With silly competitions, including hats, costumes, and celebrating holidays, they have managed to keep smiling while they work through the pandemic.
Group of employees dressed as Easter Bunny. Mike Gillum, an employee dressed as leprechauns. Mike Gillum dressed in red, white, and blue onesie. Mike Gillum, an employee in sports gear. Employees holding up rolls of toilet paper. Mike Gillum dressed in Hawaiian shirt and hula skirt.
Our members have been working diligently to keep their communities, clients, and employees safe. From creating policies and procedures to new guidelines, they have stood above and beyond in creating a safe way for anyone to come through their doors. From our members, a special group stands out, and it's those that have been considered essential workers from the beginning. These essential workers have been creating PPE and other supplies to keep healthcare workers, clients, employees, and the men and women that serve our country safe. Thank you to our NIB, NAAPB, and Ability One program providers. National Industries for the Blind, keeping America strong. People who are blind are helping the nation fight COVID-19. 40 NIB associate nonprofit agencies manufacture COVID-related products. 3,780 people who are blind produce these products, with over 1,500 different COVID-related products available through these services. They do this by using sewing expertise to produce tens of thousands of face masks, providing vinyl shower curtains for users as hospital bed dividers, leveraging call center capabilities to help aid in the surge of unemployment claims, partnering with plastic suppliers to manufacture face shields, altering Army construction kits with components to build emergency field hospitals, and using cutting equipment to make protective hospital gowns. NIB organizations are partnering with local food banks, volunteering with Meals on Wheels, donating face masks to local hospitals and nonprofit organizations, and hosting virtual support groups. The National Industries for the Blind is a proud partner with the government and private industries to do their part to keep America strong.
Hello, I'm Michael Monteferranti, the CEO of Envision. One of the cool things and feel-good things I'd like to share today is what we've done is we've taken our Level Up program, which is a technology camp for children, into a virtual realm this year, and we had 42 kids from 12 states go through this program, and it was such an uplifting experience for us at Envision and for the kids. They had a wonderful program to where they could laugh, they could have fun with their rooms, and learn. So it was a laugh and learn experience for all those kids from 12 states, and we were so proud for each and every one of them. We've also had the opportunity through this period of time to expand our early child development program, expand our art program, and expand and remodel our Envision Dallas location. And with that, it's been such an uplifting experience for everyone here at Envision. So I wish you all the best of luck and continue to move forward in the most positive way possible.
A crowning achievement that has come out of COVID-19 is collaborations and working together between agencies at Vision Serve Alliance. One of those is the collaboration that has come out between Beyond Vision, Valley Center for the Blind, and Lighthouse Central Florida to create a collaborative call center that spans across the country. I could tell you more, but why not let them tell you themselves?
Hello all, this is Shalina at Valley Center for the Blind in Central California.
Man on the phone sitting next to Guide Dog
for
smiling.
the chance to share some truly great news. We are ecstatic that we have finally found an opportunity to take our commitment to
Employees
changing
smiling while
lives to
holding
the
white
next
cane.
level. VCB is so grateful to be working with Beyond Vision and 4 other nonprofits
Woman
on
sitting
a
at
call
desk,
center
magnifier,
program
talking on
which
phone.
has provided about 35 jobs for people who are blind or visually impaired, and
Man
7
sitting
of
at
those
desk, typing on
jobs are
keyboard.
at our Fresno facility. Our team has had a blast this last month
Man
and are
sitting at desk and smiling.
enthusiastically looking for more virtual customer service opportunities. They have proven that perceived barriers
Man
to
sitting at desk with
employment
headset,
can be
smiling behind the
overcome
computer.
with a little hard work, some great technology, and an attitude of
Close-up of
understanding
man sitting
that
at
every
computer,
job
talking on
we
headset.
create at VCB is an opportunity to fulfill a dream.
Just read the script, Ben. Just read the script. Many of you have had children, grandchildren, and other family members sent home from school, daycares, and vacations due to COVID-19. On top of everything that's going on in your communities and at your organizations, you are caring for your families. Even while all this is going on, parents have gone above and beyond to make sure that special moments still happen with their kids.
Visually impaired preschool services graduation ceremony. Toddler walking with white cane down street. Toddler attending Zoom meeting. Young boy playing educational game on computer. Screenshot of toddler on Zoom call. Mother and daughter skipping down street hand in hand.
To the students out there that are working diligently on their schoolwork at home, but not just their schoolwork, but also their extracurriculars. These students of the New York Institute for Special Education and FMDG Music School in New York will inspire you with their performances at home despite not being able to meet together.
Hi school, it's me Millie. I miss you all. This is a song called The Monkey Dance.
Students playing maracas. Student sitting in chair with white cane. Student playing drums. Students performing with melodicas. Student laughing while playing with drumsticks. Student smiling and plucking on violin.
Hi, my colleagues at Vision Serve Alliance. I'm Leslie Jones, Executive Director of the Philemon M. D'Agostino Greenberg Music School in New York City. I'm sharing with you today a performance highlights video of our spring semester, which of course was virtual. And I'm hoping and to welcome all of you for next summer when we continue our launch of nationwide music offerings. Thanks everybody and have a good rest of the summer. Stay healthy.
In addition to the health concern, there's also a financial concern for our communities. Here's how ABVI Goodwill of the Finger Lakes is making sure that their community does not go without.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, Goodwill of the Finger Lakes has responded to the crisis by sending out over 24,000 meals in partnership with local organizations to those in need. We've also distributed for the United Way of Greater Rochester 475,000 plus essential items to community organizations. We've also collected 14,000 plus cloth masks for the United Way to protect our community members. Our 211 Lifeline, a 24/7 crisis intervention hotline made possible by shopping and donating at Goodwill, connected 38,000 plus individuals to essential resources like food and assisted over 65,000 people on our website. Good is here, good will come, and we are proud to serve.
And here's to the best looking and cutest workers in our field, our four-legged friends, the humble guide dog. You've been by our side through thick and thin. You've been there to help make sure that we are safe and we are taken care of. We thank you, man's best friend, for always being there for us, no matter our reality.
Hi, this is Glenn Hoagland, President and CEO of the Seeing Eye in Morristown, New Jersey. In March, in response to COVID-19, we had to get all of our dogs who
Guide
had
dog
been
sitting in backseat of
training
car.
off campus and out into the foster homes of our
Guide dog puppy
volunteer
being held by a
puppy
woman.
raisers and staff. Now we're in the process of reopening and
Guide
bringing
dog puppy
back
being held
all
at the
of our
woman's face.
dogs to refresh their training in hopes of serving our first
Smiling German
students
Shepherd guide dog.
later this summer in August.
There's so much more that we could share, from those working behind the scenes to those on the front lines. We want to thank you for finding the good in the crisis. None of this is possible without your diligent work, your inspiration, and your leadership. And we thank you for everything you've done to care for your communities. From all of us here at Vision Serve Alliance, we are grateful to be partners and collaborators together with you in preparing and caring for those in our community. Now it's time to keep the party rolling with Now That's Good News, the rest of the live event. Thank you all for being here. Good night!